Welcome to video number 28. So we are on page 9 in our Unit 3 packet, video number 28. Thank you guys for watching. So we're going to factor again, but this time these are called special case polynomials. So if I take a look at the polynomials all on this page, they all are perfect squares. So when I say perfect squares, I'm saying 1 squared equals 1. 2 squared equals 4. 3 squared equals 9. So if I keep going down my list, these numbers here are the perfect square. So we could keep going. I'm just going to stop there because I think you're starting to get the gist. So when we're factoring with perfect squares, the first step we take is we're going to write 2 sets of parentheses. And then we just take the square root of each term. So the square root of 16, so if I take a look over here, 16, the square root of it would be 4. If you didn't know that, in your calculator, you're hitting second, x squared, 16, and it gives you 4. So that's my square root button. The square root of n squared is just n. And then the square root of 9, so we make one a positive and one a negative. Square root of 9 is 3. So when you're taking the square root of a term, it basically is saying, okay, 3 times 3, so what number times itself gives you back to that same number. And we needed the answer to be a negative 9, so I needed 1 positive and 1 negative. You could have also written it as 4n minus 3 times 4n plus 3. It's okay if you have it in a different order with your plus and your minus. We're going to do the same thing for number 2. So I'm going to start off with 2 sets of parentheses. The square root of 4 is 2, right? Because what number times itself, so 2 times 2, it's the same number, is 4. The square root of m squared is just m, because m times m gives you m squared. I make one a plus and one a minus. Again, it doesn't matter which is which. And then the square root of 25 is 5. We're going to skip numbers 3 and 4, so you can go ahead and cross those out. Don't cross them out fully because we will use them at some point. I'm going to skip down to number 7. So number 7, doing 2 sets of parentheses. The square root of n to the 4th this time. So whenever you're taking the square root of an exponent, you're just dividing that exponent by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So n squared times n squared would give me n to the 4th. And then I make one a plus and one a minus, doesn't matter which. And then the square root of 100 is just 10. So that's number 7. All right, number 8, I'm gonna start the same way. 2 sets of parentheses. The square root of a to the 4th, remember we take the exponent and divide it by 2, so 4 divided by 2 is 2. The square root of 9 is 3. One's a plus and one's a minus. So what we would like you to do right now is to finish this page. So you're doing numbers 5, 6, 9, and 10 on page 9. You're going to submit that into video number 28 picture, please, on Schoology. Please give it a try. It's okay if it's incorrect. We just want to see you attempting it. So you're doing page number 9, numbers 5, 6, 9, and 10. Have a great day, everybody.